Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the things you need to know before starting up a Zobo drink business. Do you know that Zobo drink business is highly profitable? You can make up to 30 to 40,000 naira weekly from the Zobo drink business. In this video, I'll be listing basic things you need to know before starting up a Zobo drink business. The number one is that you need to have a sellable recipe. The number two is the Zobo leaf. We have two types of Zobo leaf. We have the shredded Zobo leaf and the unshredded Zobo leaf. The shredded Zobo leaves comes with lots of debris. It is profitable and it is time consuming. The unshredded Zobo leaf is not time consuming. You can easily work with that one. But the reason why I will advise you to go for the unshredded Zobo leaf is that it is not time consuming. You can quickly and easily work with the unshredded Zobo leaf. While the shredded Zobo leaf is time consuming because it comes with a lot of debris, and sometimes it is being shredded with dogoyaro, which is known as neem. And if you eventually use neem, if you eventually cook it, you end up serving your customers with bitter zobo, and you end up losing your money. So it is advisable that you make use of the unshredded zobo leaf, because you can easily pick out the debris and the leaves and every other debris inside of it. The number two on my list is ginger. It is very important while making your zobo drink that you should make your zobo drink with fresh ginger. And we also have two types of customers when it comes to people that likes ginger and people that don't like ginger. We have the ones that likes lots of ginger in their zobo drink, and the ones that don't even like ginger at all in their zobo drink because of their illness. A lot of people, they have ulcer, so they don't even like ginger in their zobo drink. The number three things you need to know before starting up your Zobo drink business is the pineapple. We have two types of pineapple. We have the Cotonou pineapple and the Nigerian pineapple. If you reside around Lagos axis, you can easily get the Cotonou pineapple. But if you reside in Port Harcourt, Aba, and all these other areas, you will not get the Cotonou pineapple. But it is fine. You can also use the Nigerian pineapple for your Zobo drink business. The next point is target audience. We have two types of target audience, the high income earners and the low income earners. It depends on who you want to serve. The next point on my list is preservative. It is very important that you preserve your Zobo very well. But if you don't know how to make Zobo drink, how to preserve Zobo drink, how to sell out your Zobo drink, and you want to know, I have a master class coming up where I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about Zobo drink business, from how to make your Zobo drink to how to preserve to how to sell out your Zobo drink, your target audience. I'll be creating customer avatar for you, everything you need to know about your Zobo drink and how to make money from Zobo drink business, even how to make lots of profit from your Zobo drink business. I will be teaching you everything you need to know about the Zobo drink business, because I have been into this business for a year now and I know my way around it. So if you have any questions, you want to make inquiries, please click the link in the description to join my Zobo drink masterclass. And if you got value from this video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.